Hi, welcome to brand new video lesson. I'm glad you made it here. I'm adding this lecture how you can record yourself, the computer screen, and sometimes both of you can simultaneously on the screen, you and your computer screen. And most important fact, we're going to do that with a free software. So to do that, let's start browsing. Let's search OBS Studio. This is one of the most popular software for streaming, recording, and so many tasks. So let's click on the OBS Studio. As I'm using Windows, we're going to select the Windows option. So let's click on the download option. Let's install the file. Select yes. Here are some few basic setup. Optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, optimize just for recording. So I'm going to select this one. Next, use current ratio. So you can change it later also. So I'm going to keep it right now. Apply the settings. So this is the interface of the OBS Studio. At the very beginning, we're going to look for the settings for our requirements. So let's click on the settings, select on the video. As you can see, the base canvas of the recording format is 1366 and 768. So the output still is little bit low than the recording format. So we're going to change it with the recording format. Apply. Okay, so that's it. So the basic setting is done. This is the preview screen, the black window. You can see in the left here there are scenes. You can add the sources, audio mixer, scene transition, and the controls. As you can see, while I'm talking, the audio bar is moving. That's because my headphone is connected and it is the desktop audio. If any types or the desktop creates any sounds, that will be recorded by here. So in the left bar you can see the scene. I'm going to go to the sources option and click on right option to add display capture. Or what you can do, you can just select on the plus icon. You can simply click display capture. You can change the name, however I'm keeping it display capture. Make the source visible, select OK. So here it's also showing you the setup. You might not show this kind of settings because I have two monitors connected on my computer. So I'm going to select on the HP V20, this one. Here you can see capture the cursor. Yes, I want to capture the cursor. You can see the capture method is automatic. Yes, put it as it is. So let's select OK. The recording hasn't started yet. So when it's going to start, when I'm going to click on the start recording option, it's going to start. Let's do a quick test. Let's select on the start recording. Minimize this one as well. Let's create a new file, for example text file. Let's do some typing here. Hello there, this is test only with the screen recording. That's great. So let's see the result. Let's get back to the OBS Studio. Stop recording. Great. So let's look for our file where it is. Minimize. So here we can see the file, our recording file, under the video section. Let's open it and you can see the recording. So we do have a very good result with the screen recording. Now in the method 2, we are going to record myself with the face cam, and I'm going to do as well with the screen. Let's get back to the OBS Studio again. Click on the plus option. Let's find the video capture device. Here it is. Click on it. You can again rename it or just press OK. Yes, here you can see me. Hi. You can leave the settings as with this. Let's press OK. Here you can see me. So you can also adjust this. So let's click on start recording. Let's do the quick test again. So let's minimize it. Open the text document. Hello. Now this is with the screen and the face cam. So let's save it, get back to the OBS Studio, stop recording, and let's watch our footage again. So let's get back to the videos. Here we are, videos, play. Here you can see. So that's absolutely amazing. However, there is a problem, and you may ask what it is. In the editing software, what we're going to show you in the lessons video, you can't move this frame from right here. So what we can do as a solution, that is method 3. So what we're going to do for that, in the OBS Studio, we're going to stretch our recording frame and we're going to keep it and we're going to make it. So let me share with you the method. Let's get back to the OBS Studio. Let's go to settings. Let's go to the video option. Let's make it. So let's do the apply. Okay. So here you can see now we have a very stretching screen. What we're going to do, we're going to let's fix the screen first. Okay, that is for the screen recording, and let's click on the video capture. So here let's increase it as per the frame or preference. You can see me as well. So now we have a very big stretching recording monitor where we are going to record myself and the screen, but in separate mode. To do that, we need to just click on the start recording option. The recording has started. Let's get back to the screen and let's write now. This is in separate format with the screen and facecam. So let's save it, close it. Yes, save it, get back to the OBS Studio, closing the stop recording, and let's see our file. Stopping the recording. It might take a few moments to process. Let's select on the files, videos. Okay, here we are, and we can see our stretch screen. So at this moment, with this option, you can do recording your face and the screen as well. However, you can't edit with the OBS Studio. To fix this problem, to separate yourself so that you can move and place at any place on the screen yourself, to do that we need a editing software. We need to firstly separate them for the screen and then for the face cam. Then we are going to again place as per my preference with the duration that where I want myself on the screen. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video lesson.